Students, in this video let us see the fourth chapter of geography, that is the climate chapter. So the content of lesson: climate, weather, precipitation, latitude, altitude, pressure and winds, jet streams, western cyclone disturbances, southern oscillation, then El Nino, the onset of monsoon, withdrawal or the retreat of monsoon, then the seasons of India: cold weather season, hot weather season, advancing monsoon and retreating monsoon. Then comes the distribution of rainfall, monsoon as a unifying bond in India. Climate, it refers to the sum total of the weather conditions and the variations of a large area for a long period of time, more than 30 years. Weather, it refers to the state of the atmosphere over an area or at any point of time. The elements of the weather and climate are same, that is temperature, atmospheric pressure, wind, humidity and precipitation. The climate of India is described as the monsoon type. In Asia, this type of climate is found mainly in south and southeast. The word monsoon is derived from Arabic word mausim, which literally means season. Monsoon refers to the seasonal reversal in wind direction during a year. Variations in climatic conditions are found in our country, especially relating to two important elements: temperature and the precipitation. They vary from place to place and season to season. Precipitation. There are variations not only in the form and types of precipitation but also its amount and seasonal distribution. Precipitation is mostly in the form of snowfall in the upper parts of Himalaya and rain over the rest of the country. The annual precipitation varies from over 400 centimeter in Meghalaya to less than 10 centimeters in Ladakh and western Rajasthan. Most parts of the country receives rainfall from June to September. However, some parts like Tamil Nadu coast gets most of its rainfall during October and November. In general, coastal areas experience less contrast in temperature conditions. Seasonal contrasts are more in the interior of the country. Climatic controls. There are 6 major control over the climate of any place. There are latitude, altitude, pressure and wind system, disturbance of the sea, distance from the sea, ocean currents and relief features. Latitude. Due to the curvature of the earth and the amount of solar energy received varies according to the latitude. Air temperature generally decreases from the equator towards the pole. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of the country from the Run of Kutch in the west to Mizoram in the east. Almost half of the country lying south of the Tropic of Cancer belong to the tropical area. All other remaining area north of this lies in the subtropic. Therefore, India's climate has characterized of tropic as well as subtropic climate. Altitude. As one goes from the surface of the earth to higher altitude, the atmosphere becomes less dense and temperature decreases. The hills are therefore cooler during the summers. India has mountains to the north which have an average height about 6,000 meters. The elevation in the coastal areas is a minimum of 30 meters. The Himalayas prevents the entry of the cold wind from Central Asia. It is because of these mountains and that is subcontinent experience comparatively milder winters as compared to Central Asia. Pressure and winds. The pressure and the wind system of area depends on the latitude and altitude of the place. These influence the temperature and rainfall pattern. The climate and associated weather conditions in India are governed by the following atmospheric condition: pressure and the surface wind, upper air circulation, western cyclone disturbances and tropical cyclone. The pressure and wind conditions over India are unique. During winter, there is a high pressure area north of Himalayas. Cold, dry wind blows from this region to the less pressure area over the ocean to south. In summer, a low pressure area develops an interior Asia as well as over the northwestern India. This causes a complete reversal of the direction of wind during summer. Air moves from high pressure area over the southern Indian Ocean in a southeast easterly direction, cross the equator and turn right towards the low pressure areas over the Indian subcontinent. These are known as south monsoon winds. These winds blow over the warm oceans, gather moisture and bring widespread rainfall over the mainland of India lasting for 100 to 120 days. Coriolis force. This is an apparent force caused by Earth rotation. The Coriolis force is responsible for deflecting winds towards the right in the northern hemisphere and towards the left in the southern hemisphere. This is not known as the Ferrel's law. Jet streams. There are a narrow belt of high altitude above 12,000 meters westerly winds in the troposphere. This spread varies from about 110 kilometers per hour in summer to about 184 kilometers per hour in winter. A number of separate jet streams have been identified. The most constant are mid-latitude and subtropical jet streams. The jet streams are located approximately over 27 degree to 30 degree north latitude, therefore they are known as subtropical westerly jet streams. In summer, the subtropical westerly jet streams moves north of Himalaya with the apparent movement of sun. An easterly jet stream called the subtropical easterly jet streams blows over peninsular India approximately over 14 degree north during the summer months. Western cyclonic disturbances. The western cyclonic disturbances are weather phenomena of the weather brought in the westerly flow of the Mediterranean region. They usually influence the weather of the north and northwestern region of India. Tropical cyclones occur during the monsoon as well as in October to November and are part of the easterly flow. They affected the coastal regions of the country. The factors influencing the mechanism of monsoon are a differential heating and cooling of the land and water creates low pressure on the landmass of India while the seas around experience comparatively high pressure. The shift of the position of the intertropical convergence zone ITCZ in summer over the Ganga plain. This is the equatorial through normally position about 5 degree north of equator. It is also known as the monsoon during the monsoon season. The pressure of the high pressure area Madagascar approximately at 20 degrees south over the Indian Ocean. The intensity and the position of the high pressure area affects the Indian monsoon. The Tibetan plateau gets intensely heated during summer, which results in strong vertical air current and the formation of the low pressure over plateau at about 9 kilometers above sea level. The movement of the westerly jet streams of the north of Himalayas and the presence of the tropical easterly jet streams over Indian peninsula during the summer. Then southern oscillation. Normally, when the tropical eastern South Pacific Ocean experience high pressure, the tropical eastern Indian Ocean experience low pressure. But in certain years, there is a reversal in the pressure in comparison to the eastern Indian Ocean, and this periodic change in the pressure condition is known as southern oscillation or SO. El Nino. A feature connected with the southern oscillation is the El Nino event, during which a warm ocean current that flows past the Peruvian coast in the place of the cold Peruvian current every 2 to 5 years. This change in the pressure conditions is connected to the El Nino. Hence, then the phenomena is referred as ENSO, El Nino Southern Oscillation. El Nino is a Spanish word meaning the child and refers to the baby Christ at this current starts flowing during Christmas. The presence of the El Nino leads to an increase in sea surface temperatures and the weakening of the trade winds in the region. Then comes the onset of monsoon that we will continue next day. Thank you. Have a nice day.